In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of the item Ikea. We'll walk through updating the color of a product you already have in your cart, so you end up with exactly the look you want without starting from scratch. First, open your web browser and go to ikea.com. If you're redirected to a local version of the site, that's perfectly fine. Product availability and colors can vary by country, so being on the correct regional site helps. Next, log into your account. If you're already signed in, you can skip ahead. Otherwise, click the account icon at the top of the page and enter your login details. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right account by checking the account menu or your saved favorites. Once you're logged in, head to your cart. You'll find the cart icon at the top right of the page. Open it to see everything you've added. Find the item whose color you want to change. Click the product name or image to open its product page. This ensures you're editing the exact item and not a similar one. On the product page, look for the color options. You'll usually see a section labeled Choose Color or a row of color swatches. Click that to expand the available choices. IKEA often displays a thumbnail for each color, and the main product image updates as you click through so you can preview how it looks. Before moving on, double-check the selected color name, finish, and any notes about stock or delivery for your location. When you've found the color you prefer, click on it to select it. You should see the selection highlighted, and the price should remain the same unless the variant is priced differently. If there are related options like fabric or frame finish, make sure those are set the way you want as well. Now click Add to Cart. This adds the new color variant as a separate line in your cart, which makes it easy to compare and swap. After it's added, choose Go to Shopping Cart to return to your cart view. In the cart, you'll see both versions, the old color and the new one. Review quantities to avoid duplicates. When you're ready, remove the color you don't need by using the remove or delete option next to that item. Keep the new color in your cart and you're all set. That's it. You've successfully changed the color of your IKEA item by replacing the variant in your cart. From here, proceed to checkout as usual and enjoy your updated selection.